Hello, you beautiful 99ers. I am Sway to the 99, and in today's video, I'm at the Dollar Tree to see what is new, what's left to Christmas. And the first thing I am seeing is a whole huge section of movies here. Oh, look, Elmo, Sesame Street, pretty cool. I know this time is definitely a good time to be stocking up on movies, to be snuggling in at home, hanging out with the family. And there seems to be a lot of Elmo movies, which is pretty cool. This would actually make for really good gifts as well. So if you are looking for some budget gifts on a budget, definitely check out the Dollar Tree's movie section. All right, let's just kind of roam and see what movies they have. Again, lots of kids movies, and of course you gotta have your knives. Makes sense to be right next to the movies. Oh, look at this. This is a spoofs by Sesame Street. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, lots of kids movies, which is pretty awesome, especially for this time of the year. All right, let's keep looking. And one thing I did, let's look at this. I almost missed this one. Gumby. This is Gumby's Arctic Adventure. How cool is that? I know a lot of people remember him. And noticing some new home decor. Check these pieces out. Kitchens were made for families to gather. How cool. These are beautiful. And this one says, "Bake the world a better place." Aw. One thing to note is everything has gone up to 125 here in California. So you'll see a lot of signage everywhere for 125. That one's cute. Bless the food, family and love, beautiful. So yeah, everything is 125 here in California now. Actually, when I came in, I did bump into a few people from the corporate office who were here to make sure everything was up to date. Yeah, no comment though on the people. I just say they were not the nicest. But anyway, let's check out where the rest of the items here at Dollar Tree. Look at these. These are pretty cool. These are little heart-shaped little ornaments. I don't know if I call them ornaments, but little gifts for mom. Pretty cute, and they're heart-shaped. I wonder if these are supposed to be for the Valentine's collection and they just showed up a little early, because sometimes they tend to do that. They tend to sprinkle in things a little bit on the early side. And let's look over here. See, new signage, 125. And these butterflies definitely caught my eye as a new item here in the crafting section. Look at those. Those are the ones that kind of are 3D looking. A little washi tape. I think I haven't seen that one. And yeah, just looking to see for any new items that are maybe sprinkled throughout. As you know, they sometimes kind of tend to just put new items in and mix in with the old stuff. So it's always nice, and it's always good to look through every aisle, because you never know what you might be seeing. You might be missing, rather. Oh, look at that beautiful sticker, Girl Power. Very nice. And let's look over here. They have some summer stickers. And I know we've seen those from the summer, from last year, or from this year, rather. Like getting my ears mixed up. But yeah, let's look over here. They do have some new fabrics. And these are giving me kind of spring vibes. Again, maybe they are sprinkling some things in early. Look at these. Let's see if there's any other ones underneath. Nope, they're just a standard solid colors. But definitely want to show you guys everything that I am seeing here at the Dollar Tree for 125. And look at these cute little totes. You can never have too many totes. Stay positive. Summer something, send good vibes. Yeah, these are cute. Definitely nice for 125. All right, so not too much to show in the makeup section, but definitely did want to show you what I have seen. They do have the Ioni, some of the Ioni accessories, so snatch them up. And look, I did notice these either some new Bolero packaging or Bolero items, so keep your eyes peeled. And look at these. Oh, okay, I think we've seen those before. And let's see, tons of new facial masks. I won't go through every single one, but you guys get the idea. They always have new ones by Bolero. I know a lot of people really do like the brand, so let me know in the comment section how you guys like the wipes. I'm always curious about those. And this is actually my favorite body wash, and I'm so happy that they restocked these. Specifically, this one, the Speed Stick, is probably my favorite. It actually works really well. And I have to say, the Arm & Hammer one is probably the most bubbly or soapy, if that's what you're looking for. But personally, I like this one the best. But they're all great. And let's check out some new Christmas wrap. Let's see, they have these cute little gingerbread houses, and I am gonna grab a couple of these for my Christmas tree just to kind of fill in some of the gaps or some of the holes. There's tons of them. I feel like these are definitely a late arrival because I don't remember seeing tons of these prior, but it always pays off to look around. And paying off to look around, check what I just finally found. I'm so excited. These are such great quality. I have to say, I'm really blown away for $125, even though this is for $1 before. I'm really impressed, and I'm going to be snatching these up. And yes, I did turn on the lights on only for the ones that I'm purchasing. So definitely excited I found these. All right, let's look over here and see what else they have. Again, just showing you guys all the different signage with the new updated pricing. And look, I was debating on getting this one for the cocoa bar. That is my next area to tackle to decorate. And I may do a little home tour later on next week. Baby, it's cold outside, and yes, it is cold here in California. At least here in the San Francisco Bay Area, it's starting to get really chilly. So, all right, let's continue on, and let's see. Oh, look at this one. This is definitely new late edition. The little Merry Christmas with the African American children. Very adorable. I'm glad the Dollar Tree is finally adding some diversity into their decor, and tons of peace and joy signage. Really nice. The corporate team was actually right behind me, so I wasn't trying to be too... I was trying to be a little discreet with my filming. Didn't say anything, but still. And one thing I was very surprised to see still are the little Christmas trees. I know last year these went so fast, and so I'm just glad to see that they're still stocking these. I know these are definitely going to go fast once people realize that they brought them back, or rather that they restocked them. So yeah, all right, let's continue on and let's see what other items we can find. And look at these cute little headbands. How adorable. I was thinking about getting one for Maggie, but I don't know if she'll let me put this on her head. Well, it might be a little too big for her. Maggie is my cat. Look at this one. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are our name tags. I thought they were just like regular stickers. I did find more of the signage, and they have different African-American themed Christmas signs as well. So they do have a few more. Look at this one. A King is Born. How beautiful are these? I really like them. And of course, they have Santa. How adorable. And as a quick reminder, I have an amazing 99-cent Oyster walkthrough. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. And look, they have Elf on a Shelf. Little coloring book. That's pretty cool. I know the kids will definitely enjoy that, so I'm going to be grabbing some for Christmas Eve. And look at these. What are these? These are for your phone. Pretty cool. Keep the kids entertained while you're cooking, while setting up dinner. Really nice. Yeah. See, just for their little phone stands. Pretty cute. And let's see. They have the little spin activity and tons more of the board games. I know I showed these last week, but they definitely seem to have a few more, like Life and this one with Mr. Potato Head. Pretty cool. All right, let's continue on. And look, they have more stickers. They have this one, these gingerbread houses stickers. They seem to have just different kinds. Pretty nice. And then the little hot cocoa bar. And then behind that one was actually another one. This is the gingerbread house. Again, more gingerbread house stickers. And this little Santa one. You know, just for the kids to have fun while you guys are setting up for Christmas. And this was definitely a late arrival. I noticed these next to the stickers are these little kind of icicles. Pretty cool, definitely unique, and not bad for only $125. I wanted to call this out to you guys. I actually saw somebody, I forgot who, and I would totally credit them if I remember. These are actually little shot glasses. How cool is that? You believe that? You can party down if you are having a little adult Christmas party. You can have those as a little party gifts or even just to have fun with. And let's see, they have little Frosty the Snowman, little candy canes, and look at these cute little well-wrapped chocolate bars. Lots of candy. So if you are looking to do little stocking stuffers or just little prizes, if you're doing little games during Christmas, that is definitely good little options to pick from for little prizes. So, all right, let's continue on. And of course, you're going to have your candy canes. These are the classic. And I always buy these for the tree, and I end up eating half of them before I even put them up. I did notice these, and I thought this was really cute, either for the kids to write little messages for Santa, or just if you want to do like a little countdown, or just, just whatever to keep score if you are playing games. And let's see if there's any other new ornaments that kind of catch my eye. Again, a lot of this is just simply restocks, but it's always good to just double check. In more of the little headbands, there was actually this the second section of headbands, so I think these are definitely late arrivals, but definitely want to show you guys everything that I am seeing. So pretty exciting. The Christmas is just a few weeks away, and look at these beautiful reindeer hat. And look at these. These are so cute. I'm not really sure what I would use these for, but I am going to grab a couple of little containers just to have, especially for Christmas dinner, because, I'm sure there'll be leftovers. Some people want to take some stuff home. Like, these are perfect. I know these are meant for cookies, but I'm sure you could definitely use them for whatever else. And you could always just, throw them out after or keep them for next year. So not bad for $125. And these are definitely late arrivals in my location as well. Cute little ceramic Santas, not bad. And they do have a few more crafting items that I did not see this last week. They had the little elf, gnomes, and a little gingerbread man. So lots to choose from. Keep the keep the kiddos busy this holiday season. All right, let's continue on. And they have tons of tents. That was one thing that I was really blown away by. The amount of tents they have. I'm like, oh, wow. I guess everybody's going to be really busy making cookies this year. But yeah. All right, let's continue on. And lots of bows. Not really sure. I've never bought these. If you guys have done anything with these types of bows or any DIYs or decor, let me know down in the comment section. I am curious to see how everyone's using those. And more 125 signs. Just to remind everyone that everything is now 125. All right, and check out these cute little gift bags. Definitely new. That is definitely one thing that I feel like it's a good deal at Dollar Tree, regardless of whether it's $1.25 or $1. It's their gift bags, because they tend to be really pricey elsewhere. And I wanted to remind you as well that I do have an amazing Target dollar spot Christmas walkthrough. Check it out. I will link it down below. And look at these cute tote bags. I think I saw these last week. Busy Bee. Just good to, just relook at things and be happy and smile, laugh, and love. Really nice. And look at these. These are definitely new in my area as well. Dream big, but coffee first. Chasing unicorns, pretending to work. No comment. But yeah, these are cute for the home office, or if you are back at work. Just a cute little sign. And lots of new books I'm noticing here in the Dollar Tree section. Without My Mother, Bonjour Kale. It's always interesting to see what kind of books they have. Clean 7. Okay, the 1 week water cleaning detox. Interesting permanent record. It's always interesting to see the different books that they have, because obviously these at one point were retailing for at least $20, and now it's cool to see them here at Dollar Tree for only $1. And speaking of restock, look what they have. They have the lemon glassware. This is definitely from last summer, but it looks like they brought them back, or either they brought them back or they just never sold. And this is definitely a new item. This is the Dunkaroos. Not a new item per se, but a new item here at Dollar Tree. I have not seen these before, so definitely want to show you guys what is new and what is here. And look, they also restocked the Cheerios. This is definitely a great deal. I mean, this is a huge box for only $1.25, so can't go wrong. And let's see if anything else kind of stands out. Oh, and they have more of the Dunkaroo. This is the Dunkaroo frosting. Ooh, I love this stuff. I remember eating this as a kiddo in elementary school. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening, and I will see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.